will show you the three lineages of Rapidorelismo Cali. First is the Tatang Lustrissimo, and the second one is the automatic harness, and the third one is the Orabes Generalis Crema. These all are Rapidorelismo Cali Grandmaster Henry Espera system. Okay, let's start. This is what we call the bagsak. When you say bagsak, down, and then strike, 2, 3, and then 4. Okay? And then the number 2 strike is what we call the automatic release. You will go to the right side, face the stick, and then strike 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And then the other side, left side, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? And then number 3 technique of Rapidorelismo Cali is the Orabes Generalis Crema. Okay? I will show the langit at lupa. 1, 2, down, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you can add some abanico. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Thank you for watching my video, and hope you like it. Pugay!